Hi guys, I think I figured it out. I'm not sure. Maybe it's exactly following what is in this here, but today my brain isn't wanting to even look at that. So I figured it out separate from that, and it's probably what this says, okay? But a couple of things. One is I start with the first one like I did before, so I'm going to start with this. So that's the red. And then I, again, like I did before, find a point that is on both what I just drew and also on what's left. So I'll take this point right here and I'll draw a circuit starting and ending there. Now that's what we did before, and then I was keeping those separate. But one thing I'm realizing is that we're supposed to now look at that as one circuit here, um, starting with that point here. So it's going to be, I'll start with G, and either one, either the blue or the red could go first. I'll just do the blue. G, B, C, G. But now that I'm back to G, I can go through the red. So then A, D, E, F, G. Okay, so now that is the circuit that I have here, but there's still just a little bit left. Okay, so again, I'm going to go find a point that, and this was where, I was thinking, does it have to be a point that was on the last one that we just did or the first one? And it doesn't matter because I've combined the two, and that's what I had not done before, is combine that into one circuit. So it doesn't matter which one it's on, um, as long as it's on what's left and also on this circuit that we've already come up with. And now I'll turn to green and let's just use F here, okay? So I'll do F, D, C, F. So F, D, C, F. F, D, C, F. Now, here was my problem too. Um, you know, that wasn't necessarily, um, you know, adding on at the right place, at the place where this one left off. And so that was my problem too. It's like, well, how do I get from what I just got here to what I already had here? And so here's how we can do it. If this is this last one I came up with, and F is the key because it was, on both what was left and what was on what I already had as a circuit, then I'm going to go and find the F in this first circuit, and I'll just put this in its place here because when I get to F, I'll just take a detour around here and then go back to G. So then I'll have G, B, C, G, A, D, E, and then I'll come to here, F, D, C, F, and then I'll get back to that G there. Okay, so again, we started with just one circuit. Then I found a point that was on that circuit and what was left, found another circuit, and then combined those two. Again, that's what I wasn't doing before, into one circuit. And that was, I laid it out right here. And then I found again a point that was in common between what wasn't there and what was already on this circuit. And I created that little circuit here, and here's where this must say this, but like I said, my brain's not wanting to even read that at this point. I'd rather just figure it out myself, I guess. And so it was how then to incorporate that last little circuit, and that's where I say just go to this long first one we have here, and whatever this last one is I found, wherever it started and stopped with, find where that vertex is in this first one, and then just insert it in there. Okay, hope this helps. I'm going to try to do maybe another one like this to give you another idea of another example. Okay, let's do this one here now too, like we did the last one. So I'll start with red, and I'm going to just draw any old circuit that I see. Okay, so that's one. Now, what point is in common with that circuit and the one that everything that's left? I'll just randomly choose this A. And so now I'll draw a circuit that starts and ends at A. Let's see, there, 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 and there. Okay, so that starts and ends at A. So now I'm going to combine those two and write them as a circuit. So I'll start with the blue. So I'll do the A, D, H, F, E, A, D, H, F, E, A. Then I'm at the A, so now I'll go around for the red. B, C, D, F, G, H, I, A. Okay, so I just went around there. So now that's one big cycle, but I'm still missing some. So now again, I need to find a point that's not on the existing. Did I say cycle? I might have said cycle. I meant circuit. Um, a point that's not on the existing circuit, and I mean that is on the existing circuit, but also on what's left. And so here's a point there. So we'll use that. And so I'll go I, E, B, I. Okay, so I, E, B, I, E, B, I. So now what I need to do is see how I can incorporate this into what's already there, and I'll just find the I, which is here, and I'll put that in there. So when I get to the I here in that first circuit, I'll take a detour and go through here and then get to A. So the full Euler circuit is A, D, H, F, and I'm not putting commas in there officially. We put commas and the brackets around. A, D, H, F, E, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, and then I do the E, sorry, let me erase that. So after I get to this I here, I coming down and do this. I, E, B, I, and I'm back to the I here, and then I need to do the A. Okay, so that's my Euler circuit. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.